Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the steps to log into your Roblox account using the app on your Android device. Whether you're jumping back in for some gaming fun or checking on your friends, logging in is a simple process. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Roblox app. If you haven't already, go ahead and download it from the Google Play Store. Once it's installed, find the app icon and tap to launch it on your device. After the app is open, look for the login option. This is usually located at the bottom right of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that button to proceed to the next step. Now, it's time to enter your credentials. You'll need to type in the username and password that you used when you created your Roblox account. Make sure you enter these details accurately to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's an option to reset it directly from this screen. Once you've entered your username and password, double-check to ensure everything is correct. Then, tap the Login button to access your account. After a moment, you should be taken to your Roblox homepage, where you can dive into games, explore, and connect with friends. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Roblox account. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating your favorite games.